Good news, everyone, we've got another obscure thing no one's ever heard of, so that you probably won't watch this the whole way through. Oh well, here we go, we ready? It's called BARR! Oh god, this absolute unit doesn't even fit in the frame. Okay, that's honestly as good as I can get it. I did fiddle around with it, but look at it, it's called BARR. Not a very good name, to be honest, and not to be confused with the place you go and drink alcohol, or the old American fully automatic machine gun, which I do love that gun a lot. It's great. As you can see, it's bubblegum flavoured, which is awesome because here in Britain you don't see bubblegum flavoured drinks anywhere, unless you go to like a specialist sort of shop that sells those kind of things. It's great taste for £1. So it looks like it's come straight out of Poundland. Poundland probably sells this actually, but I bought it at the corner shop because I was just kind of in the mood for something. So let's have a look at this. Oh dear, 2 kilograms worth of stuff, and I have to put the torch on because it's dark. Okay, so it contains 4 calories per 250 millilitres, no fat, no saturates, no sugar, and a little bit of salt. So generally speaking, there's not a whole lot in it, although if you do flip it around and start reading all those lovely chemicals, I'm sorry about the glare, by the way. There's probably things in there that aren't very good for you and will lead to your untimely death, and there's things that aren't sugar but act like sugar, so it is technically fattening. It's all a lie in the soft drink industry. What really caught my eye about this is that it's blue. It's a blue liquid. Obviously, since it's bubblegum flavoured, you just don't see blue anywhere, do you, in terms of liquid, unless you're drinking vodka. And that very weird one at that. That kind of makes you look like you belong in a circus and you're a clown. Alright, so we cracked the lid off it. It fizzed up a good one. Let's actually try and pour this in a glass without making a mess. Oh, I need to get like a thumbnail shot somehow. Oh, gold. This is terrifying. No, I need 2 hands. In it goes. It now definitely looks like bubbly, fizzy WKD, whatever that vodka's called, I have no idea. Definitely looks like it in a glass. If you're not a drinker like me, but you're very ashamed of it, you know, go to a pub with some of this and people think you are absolutely tanking down some like vodka. Drink 2 litres of that, you'll amaze everyone. Just take the label off it and put it in a glass bottle. So there it is. It's blue. Let's sniff it. Oh, it definitely has that sort of distinct smell of a very cheaply made soft drink. But it does have a hint of bubblegum, but it is mostly, it's like hint of bubblegum here and then like that much worth of cheaply made soft drink. So let's try it actually, because sniffing it doesn't get you anywhere. Wow, that's a very curious flavour. Okay, so here's my initial thought. When I first took a sip of it, it reminded me of sort of, you know, have you ever had Iron Brew? It's this Scottish sort of soft drink, apparently, probably not even made in Scotland. Total lie. But there's a cheap one you can get at Morrison's, which I really like, which isn't like the full Iron Brew taste. It's like a knockoff, and it kind of tastes a bit like that at the very first sip. But then you start to get that bubblegum flavour, and there is definitely a distinct bubblegum flavour. But it doesn't taste like actual bubblegum. You know, I can't say authentic bubblegum, like, you know, when you have something banana flavoured, it doesn't taste like an actual banana. It's, you know, I can't say it like that because bubblegum is artificial, but it tastes kind of like bubblegum ice cream would taste, or anything that's bubblegum flavoured. It has a bubblegum taste to it, but it doesn't have that pure bubblegum flavour that you would get if you were to just have bubblegum. How many times can I say bubblegum in a sentence? Probably a lot. This video is going to contain a lot of bubblegums. I'm not a fan of bubblegum, but I do want some bubblegum now. I'm going to say bubblegum as many times as I possibly can. But, no, it's there, and it's nice. It's very tasty. Oh, it's very tasty, very nice. Definitely nice. Just, yeah. And from what I can sort of see, it doesn't contain anything that's too awful. apart from a couple of things on there which are bad for you. So, sort of all in all, that's a very sort of light drink, no calories, no sugar, none of that bollocks that's going to give you the diabetes, and just tastes nice. So if you have a bit of that sweet tooth, you know, you're an ex-fatty, and you have a bit of the sweet tooth, and you suddenly start thinking to yourself, cool, I really want some bubblegum, but I can't have bubblegum because it's too sugary, I can't have that. I should have bubblegum ice cream. Wait, no, that's too fattening. Wait, I know, I'm going to get some of this. I'm going to get some BARR, and then you can go buy a BARR and defend your home with it because it's a really cool machine gun. Anyway, suppose it's worth it. Kind of. I don't know.